everyone, and thank you for joining Everyday Glamour with Stace. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and also thumbs up this video if you like it. So what I'm going to be talking about today is my lovely ring light. All of you YouTubers that are wondering about ring lights or thinking about getting a ring light, do it. I absolutely love my ring light. It has been so much light to my channel. So when I first began doing videos, I knew that my lighting wasn't that great. So, you know, I wanted to take it more seriously and kind of invest in things for my channel, a space to do my videos, which I did. As you can see behind me, I kind of created like a corner in my guest bedroom to record my videos, but I also knew that I needed better lighting. So of course I went to YouTube and kind of researched on different lights that YouTubers use, and a lot of people really like the ring lights, and I just really like the aspect of being able to change the lighting, being able to dim it if you need to dim it, warm it if you need to warm it, those type of things. So what I will do is I will insert here a clip of me unboxing the ring light and let you guys see me unboxing it when I got it. Here's my light I was telling you about. I just unpacked it. See how much brighter it makes it in here? Crazy! Look at this. So with my light, without my light, with my light, without my light. Alright, so you saw the unboxing and you saw everything that came inside of the box. So, of course, I have a few things here that came in the box that I'll just show you. This is just a little ticker that you can use, like say you want to take selfies of yourself. It can be used for iOS, or it can be used for Android. So you just click the button and it allows you to take a picture with your phone. So it is Bluetooth, so of course it can sync to your cell phone or any kind of tablet that you have. So this is pretty cool if you're someone that likes to take pictures, say for your thumbnails, or if you enjoy taking pictures with clothing on and things like that, you want to kind of do your own photo shoot. It allows you to do that with just a click of a button. came with some great instructions. Sorry guys. It came with some great instructions on how to put it together, but honestly, I didn't use the instructions. It was pretty easy to put together. Didn't really need many instructions. Just a little thing for customer service if you have to call customer service for anything. And I'm putting stuff over here in my chair. Don't think I'm throwing it on the floor. So right now I don't have any kind of covers on my ring light just because I like the bright light. If I'm too close to it, I do feel like it's blinding me a little bit because I like the lights very bright. The room that I'm in, the lighting in this spare room is warm lighting, so I do need the brightest lights. But if you don't like it really, really bright and want to soften it just a teeny bit, we have these pretty cool, it's kind of like a frosted cover that you can put over the ring light, just to frost it a little bit. And as you can see, I have the 14-inch, so I don't have the huge one. So my phone fits in the middle, and also my camera that I have fits in the middle. So if you want to use your iPad, I would definitely recommend getting a bigger ring. I believe they have 18-inch too. And maybe even bigger than that, but I know they have 18-inch for sure in the Neewer brand. That is the brand of mine, the Neewer ring light. This is kind of orangey, so this one is this one is more if you want like a warm color. So it's orange and it does create a warm color. As you can see, I posted some pics during showing you that of what the lighting looks like with those different covers. And also now I will post some pics of what the lighting looks like without the ring light, with the flash of my camera, the ring light itself, as bright as it can be, with the first frosted cover, and then with the warm cover. Now all of this stuff, the package that I got, I'll put the link below, came with a tripod. I love this tripod. It is, as you can see, it's probably a little bit taller than face length of me sitting down, but it gets very tall and it can go even lower than this. So it's very adjustable, easy to break down. In the unboxing video, you saw how small it gets. So it's great for traveling. Came with this awesome bag that you can put your ring light in and your covers. So if you want to travel, it has a little handle and has the arm strap. So I've actually thought about taking this bag to my family's house to do some family photos, because the ring light creates such a great, it creates great lighting, especially for pictures that you're going to take with your family and stuff like that. It provides such professional looking lighting. So I am happy with the ring light. Like I said, it cost me about $116 on Amazon. It came with the covers, it came with the ring light, the tripod, and the bag for it. So and it also came with a stand for the cell phone. So if you want to get a stand for your iPad, if you need the bigger ring light, you can do that. But the tripod the little stand that it came with in the middle of the ring light fits on most cell phones, and also you can hook your camera up to it, because most cameras have the little circle thing that you screw into on the bottom. So that's awesome. I really feel like I got a great deal. So far so good. I did get the LED one. I really didn't want the fluorescent one because I have a 2-year-old, so her coming in here messing with that, I really didn't want to take the chance of it getting broke. So I got the LED one, and after reviewing different YouTube videos, I did see that the LED one has more longevity than the fluorescent one. So if you have any questions about the ring light, or just want to comment on the video, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you liked it. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, until next time.